Alright, this new website will pay you worldwide anywhere you are with PayPal, bank transfer, Pioneer and others. This is a new website, which means this website is not known by everybody. So what you only need to work with this website is you need only good internet connection, laptop or computer, and you can also do it with your smartphone, and you can do this anywhere you are. Either you are in the beach, either you are on the bed, either you are on vacations. No matter where you are, you can do this. This is the perfect opportunity you've been waiting for, guys. So sit back and watch this video to the end, because some people do it wrong way. If you do a little slight mistake, you are not going to earn money with this website. This is why you need to follow all what I'm going to show you in today's tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this to show people how to make money online. So do yourself a favor, subscribe to this channel and also turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. Also show appreciation for my researching for this video, so give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. This guy earned over 500,000 with this website I'm about to show you, and this is the second one here with over 350,000 with this website, okay, and on and on and on and on. This is also free worldwide. You can do this no matter where you come from. Either you come from Canada, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, South Africa, Ukraine, United States. So no matter where you come from, you can do this, guys. You can join this website, and this website, it's also featured by Forbes and other companies like that. Okay, so you want to join this website. This is a very good opportunity, and this is a good time to join this website because it is not well known now before it gets saturated. I'm already on the website. The name of this website is called StudyPool. So I'm already on StudyPool. You want to go to studypool.com. You can also find it on Google. StudyPool is a website to tutor other people what you know. It might be mathematics, it might be programming, it might be a business. Don't worry, if you wait to the end of this video, I'm going to show you where to learn new things that you want to teach people and earn money for it. Okay, as you see here, you can earn $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. This is a very simple way to earn money. You just do only the work one time, okay, and you can keep earning the money on and on and on and on. So to apply on this website, you need to go to become a tutor, because this is what we want to do. Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly. If you don't know what to teach, I'll show you where to get things that you're going to be teaching on this platform to other students, so you can earn money for it. So to sign up on this platform, you want to go to become a tutor. But before I show you that, as you can see, StudyPool is trusted service provider of over 50,000 tutors, and they have a reliable income. You can make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard. That's all, guys. It's a full freedom and flexibility, so you are your own boss. You can decide where you want to work. You can choose when you want to work and when you don't want to work. Like I say, you do this work one time, put this effort one time, and you can earn the money again and again and again. So what you just need to know is that StudyPool is going to take 20% of your earnings. So it means when you earn $1,000, StudyPool is going to take 20% of that, which will be $200. But guys, you don't have to worry about that, because all you just need to do is to put on the work and upload it on this StudyPool website, and after that one, you don't need to make any effort again. That is where StudyPool is going to come out and promote your tutorial to other students, and when they buy it, they're going to earn 20% of your price. So this is their own earning for promoting your tutorials. So this is how they do it, guys. Okay, but first, to use this platform, you need to come up here and click on become a tutor. So to become a tutor, you just need to enter your email, your username and your password. It's so simple as that. Okay, or you can also sign up with one click with Google or Facebook or LinkedIn. After signing up, this is where it gets complicated, guys. Okay, note this application take about 30 minutes, so it depends how fast you are, okay, how fast you write. So it can take you 30 minutes minimum, and other it can also take them 1 hour to be completed, okay. And you have also the opportunity, when you don't complete it at the time, you can also save what you've already applied, and next time you finish the application. To start application, you just need to click here. You can click the start application, and it's going to ask you things like your personal information, okay. This is where you want to enter your personal information, guys, okay. And after that one, it's going to take you to the next step. You want to enter your address and where you live in, okay, the country you live in. And after that one, it's going to take you to the next step. So this will take you 30 minutes, guys. And after doing that, then you are allowed to use this platform. You can just go here. This is all the subject they have. You can they have subjects on business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign language, and so on, okay. This is a good one here. If you know different type of language, you can come here and make tutorial on different type of language you know about that people are willing to learn online, okay. Or if you are the type that knows about business, you can come here and teach about business. Even if you know how to cook, you can come here and teach about cooking. So this is very easy as that. If you go to mathematics, you can come here and start teaching the mathematics, and you earn money for that. So for people who don't have anything to teach, okay, it is very easy. You can go to YouTube. There are many type of tutors on YouTube that you can learn, and come back here to start making tutorials on this, what you've learned, and you earn money for it. There's another way to also learn for free. You can come to this website called Udemy. For example, assuming you want to learn something for a business, so we just type business. So we look for business courses. So don't worry, you don't need to pay anything for this. I'm going to show you how you can even find free course, okay, to learn. So you're going to scroll down, you're going to go to filter. So we want to find free course that we can learn, okay, and go back to study pool to make tutorial on these free courses. So here are different type of business courses that we can learn, okay, and they are totally free. We just need to take our time and watch this video and learn something from it, and go back to study pool and start creating tutorial on what we have learned to earn a solid amount of money for that. So this is a very cool way to earn money online, okay, doing tutorials. You don't have anything to lose here. The only mistake you can make is not to take action, okay. If you don't take action, then this won't work for you, guys. So this is what I want to show you in today's video tutorial, and if you know that you are really interested in it, please comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this platform, guys. You need to start using this platform before it got saturated, because it's a new platform. So to SimilarWeb, this platform is being used by 1,250,000 people, okay, that visit this website every month. So we're going to use this advantage to jump into these trends and start using this platform to earn solid amount of money. And remind you, you just need to put this work one time, okay, and after that you can sell this course again and again and again. You don't need a blackboard or a chalkboard for this. All you just need is a computer, and you don't even need to show your face. You can record the screen of your video. So if you don't know how to record the screen of the video, check up the screen now. You will see a link to a video that I show you how to get different type of help that can record your screen, and it is totally free, okay. So go check the video out, and if you know you've gained value on this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, turn on notification bell button, so each time when I create new videos like this, you will get notified. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you on my next one. Peace out.